In today's competitive market, AI-driven data analytics has become a vital component for businesses looking to enhance their profits. Let's explore how these tools can transform your business. Tableau AI is known for its intuitive interface and robust visualization capabilities. It allows users to create interactive and shareable dashboards that provide insights at a glance. Power BI offers extensive connectivity options and real-time dashboard updates, making it ideal for teams needing immediate insights and data-driven decision-making. In 2025, the competition between Tableau AI and Power BI remains fierce. Let's analyze their key features and determine which tool fits best for various business needs. Businesses are leveraging AI analytics for monetization by using data to optimize operations, personalize marketing strategies, and enhance customer experiences. Let's explore some success stories from companies using Tableau AI and Power BI, showcasing the tangible benefits these tools have brought to their operations. When budgeting for AI analytics tools, it's essential to consider not only initial costs but also long-term value and potential ROI from improved insights. Looking ahead, AI-driven data analytics will continue to evolve. Expect trends like augmented analytics and predictive insights to transform how businesses operate. Maximize your ROI by ensuring proper user training, integration with existing systems, and regularly reviewing analytics performance. Choosing the right analytical tool is crucial for your business's financial success. Analyze your needs and weigh the strengths of Tableau AI against those of Power BI to make an informed decision.